Hello guys, how are you? Today we learn acid, base and salt. Before learn acid, base and salt, what is compound? Compound is a pure substance. Compound is a pure substance. This is parts of compound. This is parts of compound. The compound can be divided into three major groups: acid, base and salts. So now learn acid. What is acid? Acids. Acid have a short taste. Acid have short taste. It conducts electricity. It is a good conductor of electricity. Good conductor of electricity. It is a good conductor of electricity. It turns blue litmus to red. Blue litmus to red. Its pH value less than 7. Less than 7. It reacts with metal to form hydrogen gas. For example, Na plus HCl. NaCl plus H2. This is salt. This is hydrogen gas. This is metal, and this is acid. This is acid. So we can say that acid have a H plus ion. Acid have H plus ion. H plus acid when dissolved in water to gives H plus ion. So HCl when dissolved in H2O it gives H plus ion and Cl minus ions. So this gives H plus ion. For again HNO3 H plus ions plus NO3 minus. H2SO4 2H plus ion SO4 minus ions. So this is H plus ions. So we can say that acid always gives H plus ions. Again acid react with metal carbonates. For example, Na2CO3 plus HCl gives salt NaCl plus CO2 plus H2O. So we can say that metal carbonate plus acid react each other to gives salt plus CO2 plus H2O. Again, there are two types of acid. A strong acid and weak acid. For example, natural acid is called weak acid. H2CO3 is a weak acid and H2SO4 HCl HNO3 is a strong acid. So guys, you understand what is acid, what's properties of acid. Now learn base. What is bases? Base react with acid to form salt and water. Base react with acid to form salt and water. Base. So at first we learn physical properties of bases. Physical properties of bases have bitter taste, and it is good conductor of electricity. It is good conductor of electricity. It turns red litmus to blue. Red litmus to blue. It react with metal. It react with acid to form salt and water. For example, NaOH plus HCl. NaOH plus HCl. NaOH is base, HCl is acid. So form NaCl plus H2O. NaOH plus H to form H2O and Na plus Cl to form salt. So this is salt and this is water. There are two types of salt and there are two types of base. A strong base and weak base. A strong base and weak base. pH value of base is more than 7. pH value of base more than 7 and less than 14.